around the 1850s, synthetic dyes were produced accidentally for the first time. And it was in that moment, material industries started to visibly differ because we could not just depend on plants and minerals and certain insects for color. We could then manufacture it. And there was very little investigation between that point until around the 60s or 1970s in the US, that color was just kind of seen as like, well, it colors it, great, and very little consideration of how that compound interacts with us. I found it really interesting. I came prepared with books, but Alden Wicker's To Die For. One of the cases that really struck me was these beautiful green gloves that were used in Victorian England, and people's hands were burning and blistering from wearing those gloves. But I often find that it's not necessarily that we're ignoring the downside or the risk, but that it's the best performing dye for these green gloves happened to also have this terrible downside, but they still used it because they didn't have any alternative in order to get that beautiful color.